From buses that glide over glaciers to military trucks built for combat, these extreme vehicles are engineered to conquer the world's toughest terrains. So which one would you trust on your next adventure? A standard bus isn't suitable for excursions through snowy, mountainous terrains, which is why Sleipnir was created. Designed for extreme conditions, the developers call it the largest and safest way to travel on glaciers. The bus was built specifically for Iceland, allowing tourists to explore valleys, glaciers, and even volcanoes without difficulty. It is equipped with massive 65 and 78-inch tires, ensuring that it can navigate through rugged and icy landscapes with ease. Inside, passengers enjoy maximum comfort with leather seats, modern air conditioning, and private, fully equipped bathrooms. The developers also added large panoramic windows, allowing tourists to experience Iceland's breathtaking scenery. The bus is powered by an 8-wheel drive system, providing exceptional stability on slippery surfaces. Additionally, the suspension system is reinforced, ensuring a smooth and safe ride, even on the roughest terrains. The Bliss Mobil 20-foot is an expedition unit that can be installed on almost any 6-wheeled truck, including the Mercedes-Benz Zetros. Its dimensions match a shipping container, making it compatible with standard container trucks. Inside, it offers everything needed for off-grid living, with various layout options available. One design accommodates 6 people, featuring sofas that convert into beds, while another layout fits 4 people with fixed beds. A third configuration allows 8 occupants with an elevated bed above the sofa. The unit includes a working plumbing system, ventilation, insulation, heating, and air conditioning to provide optimal comfort. A solar panel system ensures full power supply, even in remote locations. Additionally, the interior features a fully equipped kitchen, including a stove, sink, and refrigerator, making it perfect for long-term expeditions. Another standout feature is a dedicated compartment for transporting ATVs, allowing travelers to explore further once parked. "4x4 Torsus Praetorian" is a 4-wheel drive medical evacuation bus, based on the Torsus Praetorian off-road vehicle. Its interior is divided into 2 functional zones, one for medical personnel and another for patients. The first zone includes 9 comfortable seats, along with dedicated storage for medical supplies. The second zone is designed for patient transport, featuring stretchers mounted on removable arms. The hydraulic sliding elevator allows smooth and effortless patient loading, taking just 25 seconds to operate. The bus is engineered for off-road conditions, making it ideal for rescue missions in remote areas. With a reinforced steel body, it provides maximum protection for passengers and crew. The advanced suspension system ensures stability on rough terrain, reducing discomfort during transport. Additionally, the vehicle can withstand extreme temperatures, making it suitable for missions in harsh weather conditions, from deserts to icy landscapes. Which of these extreme vehicles would you take on an adventure? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible off-road machines. The Crawler OTAG 600 is an expedition caravan from Germany, designed to combine off-road power with high-end comfort. Built for harsh terrains, it ensures that travelers don't have to compromise on luxury while exploring the wild. Inside, it offers the same amenities as a fully equipped home, including a 4-person dining table, a full-size fridge, a transforming sofa, and a complete bathroom with a shower, sink, and electric toilet. Additionally, the OTAG 600 carries up to 132 gallons of water, ensuring heating and hot water even in extreme conditions. The manufacturer offers multiple layout options, allowing customers to customize the interior according to their needs. One variation even replaces the bunk beds with a work desk, making it ideal for remote working while on the road. The caravan's suspension is built for rough terrain, and its reinforced chassis ensures durability, making it an excellent choice for long-term expeditions. The Rheinmetall HX-10X10 is a military-grade truck that exceeds the performance of standard civilian vehicles. Designed for tactical mobility, it features an advanced suspension system, allowing each axle to move independently, ensuring maximum stability on rough terrain. The HX-10X10 is widely used for troop transport, logistics, and support missions, making it a crucial asset for armed forces worldwide. With over 15,000 units produced, this model has proven its reliability in the armies of Denmark, Sweden, New Zealand, Australia, and many other countries. Its maneuverability and off-road capability make it ideal for missions in extreme environments, including deserts, mountains, and icy terrains. Additionally, the truck can be equipped with modular payloads, making it versatile for multiple military applications, from troop transport to medical evacuations and cargo hauling. The Rotel bus is a one-of-a-kind hybrid that combines a tour bus with a mobile hotel, offering adventurous travelers a unique way to explore the world. Created by German tour operator Rotel Tour, this rolling hotel on wheels serves groups of 20 to 40 passengers and provides access to remote destinations that standard hotels can't reach. And most Rotel buses are modified versions of the Mercedes 0404. Inside there is a small kitchen, a toilet, and compact sleeping compartments, though no showers or private bathrooms are available. Designed for adventure rather than luxury, the Rotel bus is perfect for travelers who prioritize exploration over comfort. It boasts exceptional off-road capability, allowing it to travel through mountainous regions, deserts, and rough terrains. The company offers several tour routes across Africa, Asia, and Europe, making it a practical yet thrilling way to see the world. Which of these vehicles would you love to take on a road trip? Let us know in the comments. The Armis 6x6 is a military logistics truck designed for tactical operations worldwide. Built in 2020, it features a reinforced chassis that enables it to handle harsh off-road conditions and steep inclines up to 50 degrees. This advanced platform allows versatile transport options, carrying troops, cargo, equipment, and shelters of various sizes. The manufacturer highlights its maneuverability, durability, and adaptability, making it an ideal vehicle for modern military operations. Additionally, it's easily transportable by air or rail, simplifying deployment. A key advantage is its lower maintenance requirements compared to competitors, ensuring reliability in the field and reducing operational costs for military forces. This Glacier exploration vehicle is built on a modified MAN truck chassis, engineered to handle Iceland's extreme conditions. Outfitted with massive tires with deep treads, it effortlessly moves through snow and ice. An automatic tire inflation system enables quick pressure adjustments, optimizing traction for varied terrains, from soft snow to rocky landscapes. In addition to its 20-ton weight, the vehicle can wade through water, making it even more versatile. In the realm of night expeditions and custom conversions, we delve into the fascinating world of vehicles designed to conquer the dark and the unknown. These machines are built to provide unmatched capabilities, ensuring that every journey, no matter how remote or challenging, is met with confidence and reliability. For night expeditions, it boasts a high-intensity roof-mounted lighting system ensuring safe travel through Iceland's most remote and rugged landscapes, far from the reach of streetlights or urban infrastructure. The Toyota Coaster Bus 4X4 is a rugged all-terrain motorhome designed by Bus 4X4, an Australian company specializing in extreme vehicle conversions. This model transforms the standard coaster bus into a full-fledged off-road caravan, equipped with all-wheel drive, independent suspension, upgraded front and rear shock absorbers, and locking differentials. Engineered for Australia's harsh landscapes, it's capable of handling sand, mud, and rocky terrain with ease. The interior is fully customizable, allowing for various camping and expedition setups. Whether navigating deserts, forests, or mountain trails, this off-road bus is built to endure the toughest conditions. The Street Group Hurricane is a heavily armored personnel carrier designed for combat and tactical missions. It meets STANAG 4569 Level 4 protection standards, meaning it can withstand landmine explosions directly beneath it, as well as anti-bullet, anti-shrapnel, and anti-mine threats. Inside, it provides expanded space for crew members, enhancing its versatility for evacuation, command and control, and high-risk transport missions. If needed, the Hurricane can be outfitted with heavy weaponry, ranging from anti-tank systems to long-range anti-aircraft missiles. Its 380 horsepower engine and on-the-fly tire inflation system give it an off-road edge, ensuring mobility across deserts, mountains, and conflict zones. Do you prefer rugged military trucks or luxury expedition vehicles? Let us know in the comments. And there you have it, some of the most extreme off-road vehicles built for adventure, exploration, and even military operations. Whether you prefer rugged expedition caravans, powerful military trucks, or all-terrain buses, these machines prove that no terrain is too tough to conquer. Which of these vehicles impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible off-road machines. Stay tuned for more epic vehicles coming your way.